Hey guys, it's Goods here. Today I'll be showing you my kicker, an unboxing video for my kicker comp bars. Got these in the mail a couple days ago. It's a 12-inch. I think this is the 124s, 12-inch 124s. I got these from Amazon. Said an RMS of 800, max wattage is 1600 watts. I don't know the legitimacy of that, but that's what Amazon says the specs are. So, unboxings, comes with stickers and stuff. We got a Rockville RXD M2 3000 watt power on these things. The game probably will be set at halfway for this. Plastic. This thing is extremely heavy, like very heavy. That's what the speakers look like. Switch for you to go 4 ohm, 2 ohm. Probably gonna go 2 ohm for this one. See, this thing is, like, again, I said this thing is extremely heavy. I think this is the old model of the comp bars. The old terminals. Dual coil. Oh, it's a single coil, looks like it. Pressing the connectors for right here. Stick the wire in. Yeah, I got 2 of them for Rockville amp and the B-Box for Atrium. So, yeah, so spec says 1600 max wattage, 800 RMS, but the other specs for this one, per kicker, says 500 RMS. Max wattage is 1,000 each. So, I don't know, so I should be getting around 2,000 max wattage and about 1,000 RMS per kicker, but per Amazon I should be getting 3,200 watts and 1,600 RMS. So we're about to see, I'm about to hook the voltmeter up once I get these hooked up. So I'll be making an update video for them. So guys, got a question, like, comment, subscribe. This is Goods out. Bye.